The cast iron cleaner brush with handle is a specially designed cleaning tool that assists in the maintenance and care of cast iron cookware. Cast iron pans and skillets are prized for their durability and heat retention properties, but require proper cleaning and seasoning to ensure their longevity and optimal performance. The cast iron cleaner brush with handle offers a convenient and efficient solution for removing food residue and maintaining the seasoned surface of cast iron cookware. The brush features a sturdy handle, typically made of wood or heat-resistant material, which provides a comfortable grip and allows for easy maneuverability during the cleaning process. The handle's length is designed to keep the user's hands safely away from the hot surface of the cookware, while providing sufficient control and leverage. At the brush's business end, you'll find a cluster of tough bristles or chainmail rings that are specifically designed to tackle the unique cleaning requirements of cast iron. These bristles or rings are made from durable materials that can effectively scrub away stuck-on food particles and grease without damaging the seasoned surface of the cookware. The bristles are usually stiff enough to provide sufficient scrubbing power while remaining gentle enough to avoid scratching or scraping the cast iron's protective seasoning. To clean cast iron cookware using the cast iron cleaner brush with handle, one typically starts by rinsing the pan under hot water to remove loose debris. Then, while the pan is still warm, the brush is used to scrub the surface, applying gentle pressure and circular motions to loosen and lift stubborn residue. The durable bristles or chainmail rings effectively remove food particles and grime from the surface without compromising the seasoning or causing excessive wear to the cast iron. The brush's handle not only provides a comfortable grip, but also allows for easy storage and drying. After use, it is advisable to thoroughly rinse the brush and allow it to air dry in a well-ventilated area to prevent the accumulation of moisture, which could lead to rusting. The cast iron cleaner brush with handle is a valuable accessory for anyone who owns and enjoys cooking with cast iron cookware. By providing a safe and effective means of cleaning without compromising the integrity of the cookware's seasoning, this brush promotes the longevity and performance of cast iron while simplifying the cleaning process for users. With proper care and maintenance using the cast iron cleaner brush with handle, cast iron cookware can continue to deliver exceptional cooking results for years to come.